Hi Nick, good morning. I promised to send you a video of how to join the molding you sent me. So ignore what I said before. This is how you do it, A to Z. You use all the factory setting, zero adjustment. That means fence closed, as you see. This fence is closed. To close it, it's counterclock on these guys. This, the knob, is closed also, counterclock. Angle adjustment closed all the way. So let's call it factory setting. You are 90 degree here, 90 degree. You are 90 degree here. And I'll show you how you join it. So I'm taking it out, up the quick release, right? No glue. Put the two levelers, place them like so. Place the molding. I'm doing it with one hand. You for sure can do it with two hands. Line up the molding. With your thumb, feel that it's correct. From the top all the way down, watch that it's lined up. And correct if need. That's it, you're done. Quick release down and start turning with one hand, without glue. Soon it's gonna meet the spring, the jaws. Now that it's meet the jaws, release a little bit and readjust. Make sure, I'm doing it with one hand, but make sure that these are aligned as they are right now. Just doing it with one hand. You see, perfect it. Feel the top leveled. Sorry, I needed the other hand. Feel the top leveled. If it's not leveled, it's always leveled, but if not, you squeeze it like so. Release the clamp a bit and re-tighten, okay? Basically, you're done. Now, give it a final tightening, like a full hand force. Don't overkill, but this is, you feel that the jaws come to a stop right here. Now, basically you are done. How do you know it's a good joint? You take it against a source light one time with a corner center, and you see that no light is escaping. You also turn it upside down and look that this is closed. That's without glue. When you apply glue, you'll see the glue oozes out. Okay, now let's test the joint. Let's place a release paper from your package, USPS. One second. You place it like so. I'm doing it with one hand, but you get the point. Tighten it, okay, and you see that the paper cannot escape. It's really, it will lift the clamp if you pull it. That's how tight it is, without even closing the high fence, without tightening. If let's say that you still had a gap, you can still open this, turning counterclappers. You see it's open, now closed, now open. And open the other side as well. Okay, but you don't need to do it. Factory setting works. Let's say you had a gap in the, look, let's say you had a gap. Look, if you had a gap in the front, you're gonna close it by using this gear. If you had a gap in the rear, you're gonna use it, you're gonna adjust it with this